Hi boys and girls, this is our math for Wednesday. We are going to be finding the numerator or the denominator on an equivalent fraction. Okay, so equivalent fractions are equal fractions, and now we need to find a missing number. Okay, so there's one basic rule, and then we should be able to figure them out. Okay, you may want to get a multiplication table. It might help you a little bit. Okay, all right, I'm going to flip. Okay, so sorry, these are a little bit, my writing's a little small. So what you do to the top, you do to the bottom. What you do to the bottom, you do to the top. Okay, and I'll explain that. Okay, so if I multiply by 3 on the top, I multiply by 3 on the bottom. If I multiply by 10 on the bottom, I have to do the same thing to the top. Okay, so when we're going from smaller numbers to larger numbers, we multiply. And that is right here. 2 blank equals 8 twelfths. Okay, now I have my two numerators. What do I do to 2 to get to 8? I multiply by 4. 2 times 4 equals 8. So then in order to figure this one out, I have to know what number I multiply 4 by to get to 12. Or I could go 12 divided by 4 is 3. So 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 4 is 12. Okay? 1/2, and I want to get to 5 something or other. I need this. I need my denominator. Okay? 1 times what equals 5? 1 times 5 equals 5. So now I have to multiply my 2, because whatever I do to the top, I do to the bottom. We multiply by 5. 2 times 5 is 10. And I can show you this too. 1/2 is right there, equals, here's tenths, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tenths. They line up with 1/2, okay? The first one was 2/3 and 8 twelfths. 1 2/3. So this line comes all the way down to here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 twelfths. Okay? Let's keep going. 2/4 equals how many twelfths? What do I multiply 4 by to get to 2? I multiply 4 by 3. So then I have to multiply my 2 by 3, and I get 6 twelfths. And I can check that. 2/4, 1, 2, down to twelfths, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Blank half equals 3/6. In order to get from 2 to 6, I multiply by 3. So I have to multiply this by 3. What times 3 equals 3? 1 times 3. So 1/2 is the same as 3/6. Here's my 1/2 mark. Go down to sixths. 1, 2, 3/6. Okay? Sorry, making that awfully jiggly. Okay, now when I'm going from a larger number to smaller numbers, I divide. Okay? 4/8 equals blank fourths. How did I get from 8 to 4? I divide by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4, and if I divide the bottom by 2, I divide the top by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. And I can check that. Here's 4/8. How many fourths? 1, 2. Okay. 4 twelfths equals 2 blank. What do I do to 4 to get to 2? I divide by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2, so 12 divided by 2 equals 6. Blank twelfths equals 1/6. How do I get from 12 to 6? I divide by 2. That means I have to divide by 2. What divided by 2 is 1? Anytime we divide a number by itself, it's always 1. So 2 twelfths equals 1/6. And then I have 8 tenths equals 4 blank. What do I do to 8 to get to 4? I divide by 2. So then I have to divide the 10 by 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So 8 tenths is the same as 4/5. Okay? That's how you do this. And you are going to go to IXL Math 0.8. Math 0.8. Have a great day.